Don't get much closer than that, guys.
I have an LED light bulb, and as you can see, it's flickering right there. The glass actually broke off of it, and I'm gonna turn the power off. And with the power off, so I took the cover off, and then I saw this was just like hanging over the top, so I pulled this off, and it did break flush, so there's like no way I could grab this glass. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of tape, cloth tape, and you're gonna wrap it around the center bit. Oh, sorry. And we're gonna wrap this around here. We're gonna take cloth tape and then wrap it around. So that's all glass right there, so I don't really have anything to grab a hold of. So I can spin it now by hand, or I could use the pliers. I'm just gonna do it by hand here. And then I don't have to worry about the glass breaking in my hand. And as you can see, there's like no lip or anything to get that out. And then we can change the light bulb. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
You slipped right out of your finger. Arrgh.